Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber CEO. Now, Uber CEO thinks that the company is recession resistant. We've heard this, 2 years ago when they were talking about a recession. Now they're bringing it up again saying, oh yeah, Uber is recession resistant. Well, it depends on what you're talking about, because I'm going to tell you something, Mr. Dara. Here's a little problem. Your prices continue to rise, both on Uber and Uber Eats, making it more of a luxury service. So here's the problem with that. When people do not have enough money because either they got laid off or things are costing more or whatever it might be, where there's less money in the bank account, then guess what? They are going to start eliminating certain things that they don't need. You're going to continue getting food. You're going to continue getting booze. You're going to continue going gambling. People are not going to necessarily use Uber if they don't have to. They don't need to order as well. They might not be going out as much. They might be ordering in. They might be, they might be going and getting their food and eating in. So no, you are not really at that point. The problem is, on the flip side, if there's less people getting out there and making money because you've made the low cost of entry so easily accessible for most people, then it's going to flood the amount of drivers that are coming on board. So if you want to say, yes, there's a recession-proof on drivers, sure, because people are going to try to make money any way they can, especially if things are rising for whatever particular reason, tariffs or otherwise. But again, you need to have the other side of the marketplace there too. Otherwise, you're up Poops Creek without a paddle.
Yeah, now he's going to block you too now.
oh, I'm so scared.
Okay, so
I must be doing something right then.
So as some of you know, I have an econ background. No company is recession proof. Some are recession resistant, such as during a recession, such as a Costco, such as maybe some supermarket chains, Kroger's and things like that, big public companies, okay? As we know, we talked to Ryan Green of Gridwise. They did this massive report, right? What did their report conclude? Gig economy report for 2025. Rider fares have gone up.
Less.
Rider fares have gone up what? 40%, 50%, right?
I don't remember.
In 3 years, in 3-4 years, right? Okay. So actually Uber, for the service it is these days, me getting picked up with cars that are with the bumpers on the floor, you know what I mean, is actually becoming a luxury now, you know? So my thing with it is, yes, Dara, and you're not coming on the show either, we know. Your ride to the airport or Friday night dinner delivery through Uber might cost less. Yes, of course, because there's going to be desperados out there who just got laid off, who are going to accept your $2 minimum base order to deliver the food, right? But guess what, Dara? What's going to happen is there's something called discretionary spending. Uber Eats, Uber going out. We're not going to go out to restaurants anymore, going to bars. We're going to tighten the belts if there is a recession. That's called discretionary spending. During recessions, discretionary spending tanks. And if you think your demand side is not going to get hurt at all, and the supply side is going to bring you cheaper fares by desperados accepting $2 orders, not so. Now, we know Uber never had a recession experience in the US. However, They had a recession experience in South America, and they survived that one. And they survived the pandemic in the US, right? So we'll see, Dara. We'll see how it goes. And I do get it. I agree with Chris. Supply will be going through the roof because people are going to get laid off right and left, and barriers to entry is easy. They're going to turn the app on and make something to survive. And your brutal algos are definitely going to cut fares because there's so much supply out there. You're going to send some ridiculous fares to people, but they have to take it because they have to feed their kids. I get it, but it's not. Uber is not recession proof, and Uber may not even be recession resistant because demand is definitely going to suffer as well. So,
oh god, yeah, you're going to see that first with Uber Eats, because people are probably still going to have to get rides depending on. But you know, that's where you're going to start seeing people look at carpooling and trying that type of thing out as well too. So, or public transportation, trying many different things to save money and do that. So, yeah. There's definitely going to be some fun to see when that rolls around because
well, we'll buy stocks cheaper, buddy. There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.